Hello everybody. Right now we're at a cow pasture with something that looks like a bull, my dad said. I'm gonna have to drink Coca-Cola. First I'm gonna shake it up though. Good.
Oh no, don't shake it up.
I shook it up earlier.
Oh Jesus. Okay.
I'm gonna shake it up again. Apparently if you burp really loud,
okay, that's good because it's just gonna explode.
Burp good enough? The cows will come to you.
Maybe. We've seen a video.
Oh, come on.
Don't shake it. You're just shaking all the bubbles out of it, right?
Oh, come on. I know there's a big burp because my stomach's bubbling. You just gotta wait a second. Pause the video really quick.
No motion. That was a good one though. No looks. Try it again.
That was loud and loud.
We're gonna have to send this to Mr. Wade and Miss Barbara. Might take a minute. Oh, they stopped moving though. Say what?
The one's looking at me like, who that? Do you think you are?
Go again. Come on, Mr. Burpee. Don't touch that fence. Look, the cow looked.
It really works. Oh no.
Oh, we got one answering. That cow answered. Why are you running away for? Keep going. Holy sheep shit. This is not happening.
Oh god, the one is a bull.
This is not a happening.
I'm getting in the car.
Why are you getting in the car for? Keep burping. I can't burp.
Open the window.
Oh my god. Drink some more Coke and do a big one. Oh yeah, that is definitely a bull.
Stay here.
Alright, no talking, just burping.
Now feed her some grass, she don't walk out well there.
Don't no talking, look.
Okay, I'm gonna drink the whole rest of the bottle. Okay, maybe I can't.
Too big burn. Save it up.
If you'd stop talking and laughing, she'd come right back to you.
Look at the little guys. Look, they're about to head thing again. Maybe I have to look like a little baby.
How'd it work? Turn it off. Let's go.
Right over there. Where's that bit? Other big hole. Keep burping. Keep burping.
This isn't healthy. It's gonna make me puke.
Don't get it to where you gotta puke.
Are you guys done?
Stop. You can burp more. Burp.
You do
No,
it.
I can't. Rick can do it better.
Rick, you drink big. Drink it all. Drink. Drink as much as you can at
Don't
least.
film me. I don't want to be
You don't want me to film.
Look, they're coming back.
This Coke's flat, there ain't nothing left in it to make bubbles, so it doesn't shook it too much. Flat as can be. There comes the farmer wanting to know what the frick to do.
No.
He's coming on. He knows what the frick he's doing with his cow.
That works even better.
Burp. Burp.
I can't no more.
Told you to save him.
Coke's flat, the farmer's mad.
Huh?
Look at their little tails.
Shh.
Look at them two little boys back there butting heads.
Yeah.
Wait a few moments, because here comes the farmer. He can tell her they wanted to burp and draw his cow.